Countdown timer. Turn deadlines into action. Add the block, pick your deadline, and it starts ticking. 4 ready-made layouts, and each one fits every screen. Or start from a finished design. Show only the units that matter and name them yourself. Set the container's width and padding, then shape every box. Digits and labels match to your brand. Separators between units or none at all. Add your own message and a button they can click. Each box its own look. Reuse it with one shortcode. When time runs out, show a new message or hide it. Get Countdown Timer on WordPress.org and start counting.